Hello viewers, welcome to PK Learning. Viewers, today we will discuss the important MCQs about photosynthesis. Let's start it. And first question is, photosynthesis is catabolic process, anabolic process, amphibolic process या फिर none of these? And answer is B, anabolic process. Photosynthesis is anabolic process. B is correct option. And next question. Who first discovered that process of photosynthesis takes place in chloroplast? Stephen Hales, Jean Senneweier, Julius Sachs या फिर Kelvin Melvin? And answer is C, Julius Sachs. C is correct option. And next question. Most of the photosynthesis in the world is carried out by algae, photosynthetic bacteria, fungi या फिर cyanobacteria? And answer is A, algae. A is correct option. And next question. In photosynthesis, light energy is converted into heat energy, biological energy, chemical energy या फिर none of these? And answer is C, chemical energy. Light energy is converted into chemical energy. And next question. Most effective light during photosynthesis is blue, red, green या फिर yellow? And answer is B, red. Most effective light during photosynthesis is red. B is correct option. And next question. The green wavelength of sunlight is absorbed by xanthophylls, phycoerythrin, phycocyanin या फिर chlorophyll? B. And answer is B, phycoerythrin. Green wavelength is absorbed by phycoerythrin. B is correct option. And next question. In chloroplast, photodynamic damage is prevented by chlorophyll, carotenoids, phycobilin या फिर none of these? And answer is B, carotenoids. Photodynamic damage is prevented by carotenoids. B is correct option. And next question. The unstalked thallocytes are present in the chloroplast of algae, photosynthetic bacteria, bryophytes या फिर gymnosperm? And answer is B, photosynthetic bacteria. Unstalked thallocytes, photosynthetic bacteria. And next question. Thallocytes are not stocked in granamine, algae, bryophytes, angiosperm या फिर gymnosperm? And answer is A, algae. Thallocytes are not stocked in granamine, algae. A is correct option. And next question. Each mesophyll contain chloroplast 10 to 20, 20 to 100, 100 to 200 or फिर 500 to 800? And answer is B, 20 to 100. Mesophyll contain chloroplast 20 to 100. B is correct option. And next question. The largest number of chloroplasts are found in spongy cell, palisade cell, guard cell या फिर none of these? And answer is B, palisade cell. Largest number of chloroplasts, palisade cell. B is correct option. And next question. The visible spectrum of light ranges 280 to 850 nm, 420 to 800 nm या 380 to 750 nm या फिर 400 to 500 nm? And answer is C, 380 to 750 nm. C is correct option. And next question. The light falling on the leaf surface is absorbed 1 to 2%, 10 to 20%, 40% या फिर 50%? And answer is B, 10 to 20%. Light falling on the leaf surface is absorbed 10 to 20%. B is correct option. And next question. A graph showing relative effectiveness of different wavelength of light in photosynthesis is action spectrum, absorption spectrum, line spectrum या फिर both? A and B? And answer is A, action spectrum. Relative effectiveness of wavelength of light, action spectrum. A is correct option. And next question. The first action spectrum was obtained by F. F. Blackman एमर्सन आइंस्टाइन या फिर T.W. एंगलमैन? एंड आंसर इज डी, T.W. एंगलमैन. First action spectrum, T.W. Engelmann. D is correct option. And next question. Z scheme of photosynthesis was discovered by Emerson, Arnold, Hill and Bendall या फिर F.F. Blackman. And answer is C, Hill and Bendall. Z scheme, Hill and Bendall. C is correct option. And next question. Splitting of water is associated with photosystem 1, photosystem 2, Calvin cycle या फिर chemiosmosis. And answer is B, photosystem 2. Splitting of water, photosystem 2. B is correct option. And next question. The central Mg atom in phaeophyton is replaced by iron atom, 2 hydrogen atom, oxygen atom या फिर none of these. And answer is B, 2 hydrogen atom. Magnesium atom in phaeophyton is replaced by 2 hydrogen atom. B is correct option. And next question. Question is, a copper containing protein is plastocyanin, plastoquinone, cytochrome या फिर myoglobin? And answer is A, plastocyanin. Copper containing protein, plastocyanin. A is correct option. And next question. Calvin cycle occurs in chloroplast, cytoplasm, mitochondria या फिर glyoxysomes? And answer is A, chloroplast. Calvin cycle occurs in chloroplast. A is correct option. Thank you viewer for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.